Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater, here today with a video walkthrough on a pre-owned 2019 Sea Ray 27 Sun Deck. This boat just arrived and is ready to get fully detailed, ready for the next owner. Of course, it's going to come with all the boating gear you need, as well as a captain's orientation. Let's step a little closer and take a look. You can see it has the Sea Ray blue hull sides, white sports tower with blue canvas. Boat has under 50 hours on the white Mercury 300 Verado 4-stroke outboard. Motor absolutely pairs up perfect with this boat. Very smooth, quiet, and refined performance. Sun deck on the rear swim deck. You can see we have the full lounger in the back, 12-volt plug-ins for power, full storage underneath. Make carrying those all the gear for those beach days really nice. You can just put it in the back of the boat instead of hauling it all the way out of the storage compartments forward. Passing through, you'll see the freshwater washdown integrated cooler. This boat has the dune interior with the brown infinity woven vinyl carpet. It does have the bow and cockpit tables. Convertible loungers on both sides, so we can convert those for a little rear-facing lounging when you're at the beach. Passenger and captain's chair have flip-up bolsters as well. 9-inch Simrad digital dash. It's going to be your chart plotter, fish finder, as well as all your engine data. Over to the port side, we have a storage area for your valuables, wallets, keys, cell phones. Do have the head with the interior upgrade stainless sink. That is a pump out head. Table storage will be under the helm. We do have the bow door, which you can close that in the window to keep the elements out. And finishing up forward, we'll see the very nicely laid out bow seating area, speakers. That's where our additional bow table would go. And we do have the bow boarding ladder with the anchor storage up front. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give us a call at MarineMax Clearwater. My name is Brian Bachland, or you can call any of us here. Number direct is 727-536-2628. So come on down, see our in-stock inventory, or see this boat in person, set up a demo, get on the water today. Thanks for joining, and we hope to see you soon.